In the previous lesson, we have seen installing and setting up Java. We did a installation of Java and also verified at which location, confirmed at which location Java has been installed to, and also ran a basic command to find out version of Java after we completed the installation. In this mini lesson, we're going to see how to download and install Eclipse. Open up your Chrome browser or any browser and just Google for Eclipse IDE. Probably we can add download, Eclipse IDE download. Then go to the downloads page of Eclipse. There are few choices here, and depending upon our programming path, in our case we will be working mostly with the Java, core Java itself. So I would select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Though we are meant for using for test development, still it should be considered as Java development. And within this, select 64-bit and click on that. Right now it's spinning up here, and we should be able to see the downloads page for 64-bit Eclipse for Java developers. Here you can hit download button, which would obviously download the zip file into your downloads folder. Once this download is complete, it may take few seconds. We will resume to unzip the file and use Eclipse installer to install Eclipse on our machine. From your downloads folder, you can notice Eclipse Java zip file is downloaded here. So we can extract this file, extract all, and choose a directory where you want to extract it. I will leave the default, which is nothing but the downloads folder and a folder by the name of the zip file itself, the same as the zip file name, and extract it. It seems like it's a big file and moving slowly. Let us reconnect right after the unzipping. Once the unzipping process is complete, you can notice a folder created here. Double clicking on that will take you to the Eclipse, and then you can find eclipse.exe file in it. This is the file which we have to open to get to the Eclipse. Once you open Eclipse, the very first step you would take is to create a workspace for yourself. So that workspace can be anything you want to name it. For now, I will name it as Test Auto and click on Launch. So the Eclipse opens up a workspace with no projects in it, since we did not create any projects yet. So here is Eclipse welcome screen. You can close that, and then the very first step you can take is go to File and do New and select Java project. So for the Java project, I will name this project as Test Automation as the project name, and you can click on Finish, but let's see what options you get if you click on Next. And it shows up the source folder under the Test Automation. Eclipse kind of creates us the folder structure under the Test Automation project. I'm clicking Finish now. I did not do any kind of special selections. All I did is give a name for the project, and then a project is being created with a source folder by default. And if you want to create any kind of files, for now we will keep it simple. I want to create a Java program, very simple program that says hello world, or for change, welcome to test automation. So for that, on the source folder, I will right click and do new and do a class, and I will say welcome as the file name. By default it will be public, and I will add public static void main string, which is like the main method. I'll check that and click finish. So it creates a welcome.java file with an empty method. When I say empty method, nothing implemented inside the method, an empty method. Here what I would do is I will write like system.out.println in quotes, welcome to test automation.co, Control S and a semicolon, and one more time Control S. Control S is a shortcut for saving, otherwise you can click on this little floppy symbol here. So all I did is added one line of code here, and I can simply run this Java file, run as Java application, and it runs this Java file and prints out the message welcome to testautomation.co right here in the console. Great, that's our first line of Java code and implementation of the Java class. So we have installed Eclipse, created a workspace, created a project, created a Java class, and added a Java method, a main method, and added a line of code which prints out welcome to testautomation.co. Isn't that simple? This is where we will end this lesson. You can continue to the next lesson. Thank you.